International Institute of Digital Marketing is a global certifying body founded in the USA by several long-standing marketers. We have years of experience in business, marketing, and more, and have put forth our combined experience to develop International Institute of Digital Marketing. When you've got the basics of content marketing down, but you need to expand your skill set with creating content for the digital world, this course is for you. This covers emails, blogs, videos, and more, with the end goal of making your brand recognizable through consistent, identifiable content. Through this course, you'll learn advanced methods of content marketing and content creation that requires more resources and time to create, with huge returns. You'll learn in-depth rules and practices for email campaigns, with care to regulation and making content fit, how to make high-quality video content for video sites like YouTube and various social media platforms, and how to establish a consistent and effective brand through a more unified design language that speaks to consumers. This course was developed with marketing and marketing executives who want to learn the highest level of digital marketing in mind, and any high-level marketers in charge of handling critical brands. This was an International Institute of Digital Marketing informational video. To learn more, please visit www.thedigitalmarketinginstitute.org or subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more.